question 7, we have to deduce this compound angle over here. So this is a bit of a weird question. We're going to start by grabbing sine A plus B. Okay, now I need to use this above identity to deduce this. So how I do that is I'm going to use a co-ratio to turn this sine into a cos. So let's grab our co-functions or co-ratios, and we're going to be using this co-function, but we're going to be using it backwards. So we're going to change sine of this angle into cos of 90 minus that thing, and don't forget brackets when you do that. So we can see that sine of this angle just turned into cos of 90 minus that angle. Then I distribute this negative to the A and to the B. And once I've got that out the way, I'm ready to use this formula. So to wrap your head around how to use it, let me show you quickly. This 90 minus A is this angle over here. And then this B is that angle over there. And we can see they have a minus in between them. That's been compensated for. So now I'm going to expand it with this formula, or this compound angle. So to expand it, it's cos of A. So our first angle is 90 minus A, so that goes in the cos. And then cos of B, that B goes into the cos. Sine of A, sine of B. So I do sine of the first angle and sine of the second angle. And then I've got two little co-functions over there. So I'm going to change these two guys using my co-functions. So this one over here, cos of 90 minus A, is this one over here. So it will change into sine theta, but in this case it will change into sine of A. And the sine of 90 minus A, we'll use this co-function over here, and it will change into a cos theta, or in this case a cos A. And then we have successfully answered what the question was asking. It says use identity to deduce this is equal to that. We showed that that is equal to that through using that identity or compound angle. And lastly, let's have a look at where the 3 marks are coming from. So the first mark comes from the use of the co-ratio. The second mark comes from the rearrangement. And the third mark comes from the expansion. You do not get a mark for the final answer because they gave you the final answer.